growing because you don't want to grow. You don't want to go through this part. You don't want to have to be consistent, and you feel like God is inconsistent. You see, what you got to understand is that you cannot have confidence in yourself. You cannot have confidence in your ability to get you out. You have to have confidence. I love the song, Man of Your Word, because it says we have this confidence that you'll finish what you started. God, you have never failed, and you won't start with me. You have never failed. So it ain't about to start